Hey everyone, I realized it's been a few days since I've posted anything, so I just kind of wanted to take a minute and talk about what I'm really doing and what it means and everything, because I guess I really haven't actually done that yet. So I apologize. My name is Jonathan. I am the founder of BB Works Design and Code. This is a love hate project that I have to kind of push myself in my abilities. And it spawned from having a conversation with my wife to kind of come up with some stuff to help her and her business with regards to being able to make business to business uh, lead generations, as well as manage social media in a very user friendly and intuitive way. So this whole thing was initiated, to really help her. And from there, I'm kind of hoping that I'm able to find other businesses that want to come in and leverage the platform that I'm building to create their own leads and have a CRM and a social media manager, basically. So I've been working on this for the last couple of months. I'm definitely not as far along as I want to be, but this is all new territory for me. This is not stuff I've ever done before, so I'm finding it to be a good challenge that I'm really invested in. Um, so I hope that you stay tuned. I'm going to do the nerdy thing and say like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on that notification bell. But yeah, uh, basically, as it stands right now, this is nowhere near complete. I'm still working out kinks. I'm still developing the back end and how it functions. Uh, but basically, if we take the user and we sign in, that user will land. If they have multiple businesses they're a member of, they'll land where they can select which business they want to deal with. They also have some handy links on the side in case a business has an application tied to it. So we can see here that for my company, I've got the Streamline Social Manager, which is what I'm calling my social media solution. I'm open to name ideas. Um, but anyways, there's some handy links here on the side. Eventually, users will be able to pick uh, and choose kind of like their own theme, hopefully. Um, but if the user selects a business, they get routed to a workspace that's unique for that business. And right now, the workspace is just a holding spot. But if the business has multiple apps that they're subscribed to, those will show up here as cards, and they can, be able to click on it and take them into it. If the business is only subscribed to one service, then when a user selects that company, they'll just go directly to that app. Um, and this is gonna look a little weird. I haven't worked on styling for it yet, so you'll have to forgive me. And stuff's being a little weird right now because I was kind of messing with some DNS stuff and pathways that I still have to figure out and fix. But anyways, so this looks a little goofy where it's all smushed. But the idea is that in the social media manager, users will be able to come in, connect to their different social media accounts, and so when they go to try to connect, they'll be prompted for authentication on that platform, and then they will agree to allow this to make posts and pull back, analytic data. Because at the end of the day, the idea behind this whole solution is that you, the user, you come in and you provide high level topics, and then you set kind of like a a couple different things like how frequently you want to post, which platforms you want to focus on. You'll be able to provide kind of like language for your business, so your business archetype, and all of those little pieces together will kind of drive what gets generated for you for your post, and then assuming that you approve what you see that gets generated, there's a scheduling component that will be based on the insights from the different social media platforms. So if you have, more people hitting your profile on Fridays at 2 o'clock, you know, this would try to target that time frame so that you get relevant content out in the heavier used moments or times. I don't know how to describe that, but anyways, that's kind of the idea. There's a lot more functionality that I'm building in on the back end of this. There's going to be an AI chat agent that I'm hoping I'll be able to configure it to kind of do everything, so that you could come here and you could just click on the agent and say, hey, I want to generate a new topic of this, and I want this many posts, and it can make all the changes for you. So yeah, there's some cool ideas floating around in my very bald dome with how to build this out, and I look forward to continuing doing it. So thanks for taking a little bit of time to watch my video, and hope you have a wonderful day.